Namaste people, I am Anmol Sarkar. If you guys have seen my introduction video, you guys must have an idea about who I am and what I am trying to do and what this channel is all about. And if you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as Facebook page. For Facebook, I'll share the link in the comment section, link of that video, and for YouTube in the description below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so I can come up with more such informative videos for you guys. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get straight down to today's topic. So if you have seen my last video, you guys must have an idea about how I was talking about this Dravidian racism and how this Jew Pope and Caldwell tried to propagate Dravidianism in India, and actually Dravidian race was a fake race. It did not, what we say, it did not exist in ancient India. It was just an invention of this British colonial administrators and evangelists. So in last video we have seen how this Geo Pope and Caldwell and all these people tried to propagate this Dravidianism in India. In today's video we will see that how this Caldwell tried to propagate Dravidian racism in Sri Lanka, okay, and how this Sinhalese Buddhists were termed as Aryans and the native Tamilians as Dravidians, and how it led to some racial conflicts, which is also known as the civil war in Sri Lanka. Okay, so for that we have a very small chart to show you here. Wait a second. So this is the chart. Okay, so we'll go through just an overview of what happened in Sri Lanka, and from tomorrow's video we will see how this different sections which we are seeing in this part, for example Theosophical Society and Aryan race theory, were propagated in detail, who were the Indologists involved in it, what they have said and what they have not said, and how they succeeded in creating this divide. Okay, so the Theosophical Society, founded in the US, used its South India base to trigger Buddhist revivalism in Sri Lanka. Okay, by fashioning a Buddhist Aryan Sinhalese identity. As I have said, the North Indians in India are the Aryans of the today. And similarly in Sri Lanka, the Sinhalese Buddhists, who were in majority, were what we say Aryans of today, means they projected those Buddhists as Aryans. Okay, so this was meant to be a way to oppose aggressive colonial evangelism. The Sri Lankan Sinhalese began to see themselves as Aryans who had discovered Sri Lanka and brought civilization to it. Okay, the Aryan Dravidian race theory, as I have said, Aryans came and civilized the various countries and continents. In process, they stigmatized Tamils as an inferior race. Things got out of control over time. Okay, now this was the Sinhalese Buddhist identity. Now comes the Sri Lankan Dravidian identity. Meanwhile, the Theosophists propagated the idea of lost continent of Lemuria, and this became popular in Tamil Nadu. From it became integrated into Dravidian grand narrative and generated Dravidian racism, and finally started to spread into Sri Lanka Tamils, already alienated by Sinhalese nationalism, and Sri Lankan Tamils embraced this form of Dravidianism to boost their own claims of great antiquity. Okay, so now how this clash of identities took place. Okay, so we need to understand this chart here. The first chart is the Theosophical Society, which was responsible in propagating the Aryan Dravidian race theory in Buddhists as well as in what we say are Tamils of Sri Lanka. They propagated this Aryan race theory, and this Buddhist revival, that means Buddhists are originally discovered Sri Lanka and projected Tamils as an inferior race into that. Okay, so this led to Sinhalese Aryan Buddhist chauvinism, who treated the Tamils as the inferiors, which over time led to the ethnic conflict, that is the civil war in Sri Lanka. If you have read, if you know the recent history, recent past, civil war in Sri Lanka existed from 1990s to 2008 or 7 something. I don't exactly remember the date. So this was the basic construct behind the civil war in what we say Sri Lanka. Now this colonial ideology, this had two parts, as we have said. First is the Theosophical Society, and second is the evangelical support to Dravidianism. This Jew Pope Caldwell propagated the similar things they propagated in India, they started propagating in Sri Lanka as well. That how Dravidians and the Tamil culture was, and mapping Shaivism, Christianizing Thirukural, all this kind of dirty tactics were done to create a divide between Buddhists and Dravidians or Tamils. Now that led to this evangelical support, led to this Christianizing of Thirukural. As I have said, Thirukural was used to mobilize the South Indians against the Aryans. Same happened in Sri Lanka as well. Dravidianist movement in South India, which led to Dravidian Tamil separatism. That means projecting Dravidian and Tamil tradition as a separate identity, and Shaivism as a separate identity. So all this what we say, the amalgamation of all these things, all these strategies led to civil war in Sri Lanka. If you know about the civil war in Sri Lanka, it existed from 1990 to 2008, I guess, or 7, I don't know exact date, but you will know various groups such as LTT involved in it, and all these things. Those who are in what we say, those who have not, those who don't, it is not about history only, it is about geopolitics as well and international relations. Those who have even a basic understanding of international relations, they will know what I am talking about. And for those who don't know, please understand this theory. All this Theosophical Society and evangelism support led to civil war in Sri Lanka. Okay, so this was it for today, guys. This was the overview of Dravidian racism in Sri Lanka. From tomorrow we will see how this outdated geology was mixed with theosophical fantasy, and how the Dravidian racism was propagated in Sri Lanka further. And then we will see how Lemurian, how different what we say tentacles of octopus started gripping the Sri Lankan and the Dravidian identity. Okay, there are very different what we say branches to this, so we will go into that one by one. Till then, please enjoy this video, guys, and have a nice day.